Kenny and Selma came home early from their vacation, so they need a place to stay.
No, Marge, no! You can't invite a couple of Riddlers to stay in the Bat Cave?
They're staying.
I'm a teensy bit concerned about them smoking around the children.
We can stop whenever we want. We don't have to smoke. See? Nah, I trust them not to smoke. We'll just go outside. No smoke detector. Let's roll. Wait, turn on the faucet so no one will get suspicious.
I got you!
What happened? The water caught on fire.